If you are Indian and learning German, you are probably making these mistakes. And Germans notice immediately. I see this all the time that Indian learners, grammar is correct, but still it sounds unnatural. Let's fix that. So, hi friends, welcome to my channel, German with Gauri. So, today we'll see top mistakes Indian learners, they do while learning German. So, I'll share one screen with you, then you will get to know what are these mistakes and how to fix it. Now, first mistake translating directly from English or Hindi. For example, I am having 20 years. This is wrong. It should be Ich bin 20 Jahre alt, meaning I am 20 years old. Got it? So Germans, they don't have age, but you are that age. You are that particular age. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Mistake 2. Wrong word order. This is a biggest mistake, big one. For example, ich gehe morgens ins Kino vielleicht. Okay, this is wrong. It should be ich gehe vielleicht morgens ins Kino. So in German, word order is very strict and you have to follow that. Now next mistake. Ignoring articles, their detas. For example, if you say die Bahn, that is wrong, incorrect. It should be der Mann. So, learning articles. So, learn all the nouns with gender. Ignoring gender is incorrect. It is wrong. Mistake 4. Overusing English pronunciation. Don't speak German just like in English because many pronunciations are different from English. For example, ish. Many Indian learners, they will say ik, but that is wrong. It should be ish, I. That soft sound should be there. Now, next mistake. That is mixing up this formal and informal and not using it properly. For example, using do with strangers. This is wrong. You have to use Z with strangers. Even in formal situations, you have to use Z, okay, and not do. In Hindi, sometimes we mix tum up, but German, it matters a lot. So you have to be particular. Just use Z in formal situations and with strangers. Mistake 6. Skipping articles completely. For example, Ich gehe zu Bahnhof. This is wrong. But it should be Ich gehe zum Bahnhof. Right? So articles in German, they are not optional, but they are mandatory. And you have to use it properly. Now, next mistake. Speaking very fast without structure. Many Indian learners try to speak fast, but the structure matters a lot. You need a structure, basic structure first. For that, tip is speak slow, correct, and then fast. Okay? Start speaking slowly. That is the tip. Now, one bonus tip from my side. Now, sounding robotic, no filler words. For example, suppose this is a sentence. Ich denke, das ist gut. I think this is good. If you see this sentence, it is not correct, but it sounds unnatural. It sounds robotic. By adding filler word, it will sound natural. Just like also. Also means so or well. So there is a separate series on my channel, short series, that is one word at a time. I will give the link in the description box. You can go and watch. There are a lot of words and their meanings, example sentences. So here, if you add just one filler word, there are a lot of filler words in German, also, genau, and so on. It will make difference. It will look natural. Also, ich denke, das ist gut. Also meaning so or well. Well, I think this is good. If you see the difference, the next sentence, second sentence will look natural. So if you fix these mistakes, I am sure your German will sound natural. So that's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel and you are learning German, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.